High protein, all natural, all healthy, high fiber, soft and fudgy inside, chocolate crunch outside, super tasty coconut protein bars, made with white beans but taste like candy and they're so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of white beans. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a food processor. Along with a cup of soft dates. Next, blend it into a smooth. Now add 2 cups of shredded coconut. And pulse it and just combine. Then form the dough into bars. Cover with dark chocolate. Let them cool in the fridge. And enjoy super tasty and super healthy protein bars. Thanks for watching.